What's going on, and welcome back to season 2 of the epic leaf transformation. I figured that video was successful last year. Let's do another one this year. So let's get right to it. Change of plans. It's windier than I thought. So I was going to blow everything this direction, but the wind seems to be blowing this way. So I'm actually going to switch and work that direction towards here. See if that works better. I usually like to go that way because it's the larger side of the property. I've got more room to work with. But I don't think we have the wind in our favor today. So something I did last year, which worked really well, was I mulched all the leaves with my mower, and I brought them in the back, and I composted them myself, which did great in my garden. So let's do that again this year. All right. So the mower was getting way too bogged down for my liking. So we're just going to try to rake these up by hand and bring them into the compost pile in the backyard. All right, everyone, I think that's a wrap. Last year, I went crazy. I bagged all these up. I mulched them all up. I brought them into the backyard. It's much breezier today, so I'm having a hard time trying to corral the leaves. So I think what I'll do is the town will come pick these up during the week, and then next weekend I'll come back out and do another cleanup of whatever blows around. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.